all gathered here. I am Teacher Emily. Welcome you all for today's folklore program. Let me give you all a brief information about folklore. Folklore is made of two words, folk, which means regional, and lore, which means stories. Here we have our dear parents, teachers, and students who will show us the traditional ways of folklore. Parents and teachers dressed up in a beautiful traditional way. All look beautiful and gorgeous. With these different saris worn with different looks. The different draped saris belong to the different traditional or cultural wear of different states in our country, India. Let's begin. I call upon Kunbi Sari from Goa. A traditional dressing style of Goans is an infamous Kunbi Sari associated with Kunbi tribe of Goa. The sari is worn by Kunbi tribes. Nawari Sari from Maharashtra. Nawari Sari is often associated with spirit of independence and empowerment of Marathi women. Pinkasu from Madurai. Pinkasu means plaits at the back. This sari is perfect for hot weather. Oriya style sari draping. This sari is one of the oldest traditional ethnic of India. It is beautiful outfit. Odhpuri sari from Bengal. This sari signifies the most important woman in the household, as it is a great matter of pride to given to regions of the entire house. Kasur sari from Kerala. It is a traditional Indian garment worn by women in Kerala. The sari is also popular for its cultural significance. Telangana traditional Kochi Kattu sari. It is a traditional sari draped from rural area. The Gola shepherds community women wear this sari style in Telangana. Oriya style of sari. This type of sari is worn by women during weddings and other festivals in Oriya. Mekhala Chador from Assam. The handloom sari of Assam is worn by the women to depict the beauties of Assam. Nevi draped from Andhra Pradesh. The sari mostly worn this style. The woman looks incredible, majestic and royal. Kurgi sari from Karnataka. It was worn by Kurgi women since they lead an energetic life that involved climbing hilly slopes entries every day. Sita Pallu from Gujarat. This style permits freedom of mobility and works well for heavy saris as a shoulder doesn't have to hold heavy work of pallu. How beautiful our traditional wears are, and we all are proud that we all belong to this country where we enjoy the wonderful culture. Last but not least, let me take some time to thank all the hard work of our parents and teachers for all efforts and beauty that added into making this program successful. Thank you to one and all.